it's Miss Emily here again on MOSH Connect. I want to talk to you about some really interesting weather phenomena. My friends Miss Christy and Miss Evan already talked about thunder, lightning, and clouds. But today I want to talk about something a little bit more special. Can you think of some interesting or extreme weather that you may have experienced? Maybe you've seen flooding, or hail, or really strong winds. The weather is always changing and pretty unpredictable, but scientists have found a pattern of weather events called El Niño and La Niña. These events actually impact the weather all over the planet. To better understand El Niño and La Niña, we're gonna need to look at the ocean first. In particular, we're going to need to look at the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is giant. It's actually the biggest ocean on our planet, and it contains about half of the free water on Earth. Since oceans take up about 70% of the Earth, it's no wonder that they have such a great effect on the weather. The ocean's surface temperature is actually what determines whether or not, get it, whether or not El Niño or La Niña are occurring. The Pacific Ocean's surface temperature changes over time. This cycle is called the El Niño Southern Oscillation Cycle, or ENSO for short. When the Pacific Ocean's surface temperature is close to the normal average temperature, we're considered to be in the neutral phase. During the neutral phase, trade winds blow from east to west across the Pacific Ocean. What are trade winds? Trade winds are winds that blow steadily for days. Their job is to circulate all of the air on the whole planet. That's a lot of work. During La Niña, the ocean's surface temperature is much cooler than normal. During El Niño, the ocean's surface temperature is much warmer than normal. These temperature changes actually affect the trade winds so much that it impacts the entire world. During El Niño, when the ocean surface temperature is a lot warmer, the trade winds actually become way weaker, and they may actually reverse. This causes all of that rainfall that's usually on the western side of the Pacific to go over to the eastern side of the Pacific. That means that South America experiences a little bit more rainfall than usual during El Niño. During La Niña, when the ocean surface temperature is a lot cooler, the trade winds actually strengthen, and they blow tons of rainfall towards the west, further than it usually goes. That means that Australia experiences a lot more rainfall during La Niña. Are you wondering what phase of the ENSO cycle we're in right now? Well, lucky for you, scientists are always keeping tabs on the ocean's temperature. And right now, they're pretty much just close to normal. That means that we're experiencing the neutral phase of the ENSO cycle. And that just basically means that we're not experiencing an El Niño or La Niña event at this time. Scientists believe that we're going to remain in the neutral phase of the cycle for all of summer and fall of 2020. What impact do these weather events have on Floridians? During an El Niño event, wind shears coming from the west actually reduce the strength of hurricane activity in the Atlantic Ocean. Since scientists predict that we're going to remain in the neutral phase for the rest of the summer and fall, it's likely that our rainfall and hurricane activity will be closer to normal. I hope that this video helped you learn a little bit more about weather and the amazing things that the Earth can do. El Niño and La Niña are really interesting weather events that not a lot of people know about. If you like this content and you'd like to see more, please consider donating to the Museum of Science and History, and keep checking out our content on MOSH Connect. We're going to be live on Facebook this Friday talking about weather. Bye guys!
MOSH Connect relies on support from our community. If you like what you just saw, please consider donating at www.themosh.org and give us a like on social media at MoshJax so you can stay connected.